losses, can help us study and say, hey, this is what I don't want to do again. This is what I don't want to do in the future. The thing about trading, it's a very tough profession. I think the stats are something like 90 to 95% of traders fail. And why do they fail? They don't fail because of a lack of winning setups or lack of wins. They fail because of their losses. They fail because they just take too many losses too frequently, or just that one big loss. I mean, that's the thing in the market. One loss can wipe you out and end your career. That's where a good set of rules can either make you or break you for the long haul. Now, trading can be a difficult profession. For that, we sit in front of our computers all day long and we feel unproductive if we're not always in a trade or pushing buttons. We follow traders on Twitter who tweet a new idea or ticker every 35 seconds, and we say, hey, that guy trades 80 to 90 tickers a day. I need to do the same thing. No, I think that's BS. I think you should not do the same thing. I think you need to stick with your high probability setups, the setups you're going to be profitable on, I'd say at least 75, 80, hopefully 90% of the time. Now, sometimes it can be hard to sit on your hands and be patient, wait for those setups. But why chase subpar setups? Why chase boredom trades? Why put good money after bad? Now, how many of us here of traders have followed a chat room, a Twitter, or a friend into an idea that we knew was not a high probability setup for our own trading style? Now, we all have different trading styles here. What works for you may not work for me. Personally, I'm a terrible long bias trader. If and when I ever do go long, I take profits extremely fast, knowing that a lot of times profits can just get away from me pretty quick. I don't have the patience nor the conviction, to hold them. That's why month after month, year after year, I personally get more strict about the trades that I place. I probably place half the amount of trades I did maybe just 5 years ago, but I make way more money. Why? Because I trade the high probability setups that I know I'm going to be profitable on 80 to 90% of the time. I like to use size with those trades, and I have very strict rules when it comes to cutting losses. Now, I'm sure most of us as traders have rules, or at least we should. How many of us use stops? I mean, stops are a must. I mean, we all have to use stops. Now, I personally rarely use hard stops, but I have mental stops on every position that I take. Basically, if something's breaking support or resistance, I usually just exit that trade. And I think most of us here need to have a mental idea in our head of where we're going to exit a trade based on where it goes against us. How many of us here have ever been in a losing trade? We're down something small, maybe $5,000, and we think, I'm not going to cut it. I feel like this is going to be a winner, and we add to that trade. An hour later, we're down $20,000 to $30,000, and we think, wow, it's hard to, I can't cut it now. We hold it till the afternoon. Maybe tomorrow it gaps up, we're down $70,000, $80,000, $100,000, and we think, what the heck just happened? I mean, I could have cut that loss yesterday for 3, 4, 5 grand. Now I've given up 10, maybe 20% of my year just by being stubborn. Think about how much more money we could make at the end of the year if we just stick to some simple rules and cut our losses at an appropriate place. Now, for me personally, I very rarely enter a trade, unless it's with starter size, something really small, unless I know I'm going to be in the money immediately. I ask the question, why would you ever enter a trade knowing it's going to go against you? And you say, well, I'll just add higher. I mean, why would you ever want to do that? I personally like to be right on my first entry, and if I'm not, I cut it and I look for a re-entry. The last thing I want to do, again, is be stubborn, refuse to cut a loss, add to losers, and before you know it, you've given up 10, 20, maybe 30% of your year on any particular setup. I see so many traders that can consistently make money month after month after month, only at the end of the year realize they were stubborn on 3 to 4 tickers, and they gave up, maybe 20 to 30% of the year. Now, let's talk about being stubborn for a minute. Why is it that we refuse to cut losses? Is it that sometimes we refuse to be wrong? Or has the research we've done on any particular stock made us so overly biased that we think the market is wrong and we are right? Or did we possibly take on too much size overnight on a low float stock that's opened dramatically against us? There's numerous reasons we take losses in the market, and a majority of them are our fault. I mean, sure, there can be unexpected news or events, but at the end of the day, I think it's our stubbornness that leads to some of our biggest losses. Now, I personally have a lot of rules in my trading. I've already went over a couple of them. Most of them are just ingrained in my head. I know I'm just like walking, talking, eating, and sleeping, and I don't even have to think about them. But I'll go over quick, couple of my top rules again real quick. I like to trade the best setups out there. Setups that I know I'm going to be profitable on 80 to 90% of the time. And I like to use size with those setups. You know, I ask a question. If you see a setup and you say, hey, 9 out of 10 times I'm going to make money on this setup, why would you not want to put big money behind that trade? You know, why would you not want to? I think the risk reward is definitely on your side there. I think, you know, for me personally, the big money's in the big wins. I'm not going to get rich scalping. It's just not for me. And I certainly know I'm not going to lose money on boredom trades because I just don't play them. You know, if the setup's not there, I sit on my hands. If not, I'll just leave for the day. I never feel forced to trade. Second, never ever add to losing trades. You know, there's a reason the trade is going against you. You're wrong. I mean, it's all there is to say. You need to exit that trade and look for re-entry. And third, take profits on winning trades. You know, I always scale out of positions. Let's say I'm short 50,000 shares of a position and it's reached maybe 70% of my target. I like to take at least a third off right there. Always locks them in. Falls another 10, 15, 20 cents, take another 10, 15,000 shares off, whatever. You know, if you had a big loss last week, don't ever revenge trade. You know, you really have to have a free and clear mind to trade in the markets. The biggest one of all, lastly, is cut losses, cut losses, cut losses. And I think as traders, if we can create a good list of rules with strict stop loss management, I think at the end of the day, we can become more profitable traders.
I started painting when I was younger as a way to express what I was going through and everything I was feeling. Now, I make art that speaks to my experience and my community. My art is my voice. How do you use yours?
Remember those wise guys who were itching to take over your turf? We helped make that little problem disappear. Get away with murder with the Advantage family. We put a hit on pet parasites.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, "There is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living." Now, I'm sure in your experiences in school and applying to college and picking your major and deciding what you want to do with life, I'm sure people have told you to make sure you have something to fall back on. Make sure you got something to fall back on, honey. But I never understood that concept, having something to fall back on. If I'm going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything. I want to fall forward. I figure at least this way I'll see what I'm going to hit. Without consistency, you'll never finish. So do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. There's an old IQ test was 9 dots, and you had to draw 5 lines with a pencil within these 9 dots without lifting the pencil. The only way to do it was to go outside the box. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams. Reggie Jackson struck out 2,600 times in his career, the most in the history of baseball. But you don't hear about the strikeouts. People remember the home runs. Fall forward. Thomas Edison conducted 1,000 failed experiments. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Because the 1,001st was the light bulb. Fall forward. Every failed experiment is one step closer to success. You've got to take risks, and I'm sure you've probably heard that before, but I want to talk to you about why that's so important. You will fail at some point in your life. Accept it. You will lose. You will embarrass yourself. You will suck at something. There's no doubt about it. And I know that's probably not a traditional message for a graduation ceremony, but hey, I'm telling you, embrace it, because it's inevitable.
Hey, man. What's up, boys?
In the acting business, you fail all the time. Early on in my career, I auditioned for a part in a Broadway musical. Perfect role for me, I thought, except for the fact that I can't sing. I didn't get the job. But here's the thing. I didn't quit. I didn't fall back. I walked out of there to prepare for the next audition, and the next audition, and the next audition. I prayed. I prayed, and I prayed. But I continued to fail, and fail, and fail. But it didn't matter, because you know what? There's an old saying, you hang around the barbershop long enough, sooner or later you're going to get a haircut. So you will catch a break, and I did catch a break. Last year, I did a play called Fences on Broadway. But here's the kicker. It was at the Court Theater. It was at the same theater that I failed that first audition 30 years prior. The point is, every graduate here today has the training and the talent to succeed. But do you have the guts to fail? If you don't fail, you're not even trying. I'll say it again. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. So imagine you're on your deathbed, and standing around your deathbed are the ghosts representing your unfulfilled potential. The ghost of the ideas you never acted on. The ghost of the talents you didn't use. And they're standing around your bed, angry, disappointed, and upset. They say, we came to you because you could have brought us to life, they say. And now we have to go to the grave together. So I ask you today, how many ghosts are going to be around your bed when your time comes? I just got back from South Africa. It's a beautiful country, but there are places there with terrible poverty that need help. And Africa is just the tip of the iceberg. The Middle East needs your help. Japan needs your help. Alabama needs your help. Tennessee needs your help. Louisiana needs your help. Philadelphia needs your help. The world needs a lot, and we need it from you. We really do. We need it from you young people. I mean, I'm not speaking for the rest of us up here, but I know I'm getting a little grayer. We need it from you, the young people, because remember this. You got to get out there. You got to give it everything you got, whether it's your time, your talent, your prayers, or your treasures. What are you going to do with what you have? I'm not talking about how much you have. Some of you are business majors, some of you are theologians, nurses, sociologists. Some of you have money, some of you have patience, some of you have kindness, some of you have love, some of you have the gift of long suffering. Whatever it is, whatever your gift is, what are you going to do with what you have? All right, now here's my last point about failure. Sometimes it's the best way to figure out where you're going. Your life will never be a straight path. I began at Fordham University as a pre-med student. I took a course called cardiac morphogenesis. I couldn't read it, I couldn't say it, I sure couldn't pass it. So then I decided to go into pre-law, then journalism. And with no academic focus, my grades took off in their own direction. I was a 1.8 GPA. And the university very politely suggested that it might be better to take some time off. I was 20 years old. I was at my lowest point. And then one day, and I remember the exact day, March 27th, 1975, I was helping my mother in her beauty shop. My mother owned a beauty shop up in Mount Vernon. And there was this older woman who was considered one of the elders in the town. And I didn't know her personally, but I was looking in the mirror, and every time I looked at the mirror, I could see her behind me, and she was staring at me. She just kept looking at me. Every time I looked at her, she kept giving me these strange looks. So she finally took the dryer off her head and she said something I'll never forget. She said, "Young boy, I have a prophecy, a spiritual prophecy." She said, "You are going to travel the world and speak to millions of people." And in the years that followed, just as that woman prophesied, I have traveled the world and I have spoken to millions of people through my movies. Millions who up till this day couldn't see me, who up till this day I couldn't see while I was talking to them, and they couldn't see me, they could only see the movie. They couldn't see the real me. But I see you today, and I'm encouraged by what I see. And I'm strengthened by what I see.
All right,
Because
these are the
taking
ranges that
risk
we
is
are
not
currently
just about
in.
going for a job. It's also about knowing what you know and what you don't know. It's about being open
price.
to people and to ideas.
The 30-minute cordial below right over here.
The chances you
Problem
take,
with this 30-minute cordial
the
below
people you meet,
is
the people you
don't
love,
quite have a
the faith that you
keep
have.
enough top wick.
That's what's
Well,
going
we
to
don't.
define
We push down with no top wick on a confirmation candle.
Never be discouraged.
The 1 hour confirmation candle
Never hold
also has no
back.
top wick either. So
Give everything you got.
no sales for here for me.
And when you fall throughout life, remember this: fall forward.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can't feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted, whoa, I be so exhausted, I see the vision, all this weed and got me lifted, pour four and then I finished tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it, got it all like this my kitchen, middle finger to these bitches up, cause I'ma do it my way, shit just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she loved me, I told her who are you, ayy. I ain't with that lame shit since I took out your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying, GTA I'm wasted, lately I've been anxious, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. Whoa, I be so exhausted. I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama knew it I became. I got Vaughn up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Man, I put it on my name. Lately I've been wasted, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you, I'm so done with you. I be so exhausted.
I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I just keep going, no, I've been so broken. These niggas done changed, yet they knocking my flows in. On smiles, can't tell that my heart just been frozen. Stay low, low, low key, now don't cause no commotion. That's just for promotion, raw is my emotion. These songs that I'm composing, stay fire, that's cause I'm chosen. And I don't do the boasting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open, and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like a white tee, meditated like Tai Chi, keep a check like Nike. Can't find a nigga that's like me, but I see fuck niggas that's high key, plotting on me most likely. Can't fuck with me cause I'm icy. I've been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I'm leaning on the fixture, and I've been off the liquor. Sipping on that Remy with that Henny with a mixture. They follow me like scripture, and I've been getting quicker. Been had the upper hand, I hand-to-hand it like we never gon' fall. All my brothers on call, we forever gon' ball. No, it's nothing at all. I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change.
I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, it's bad I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy telling another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. Tired of this shit, yeah. Finna flood my wrist, yeah. I'm writing all these hits, but I wonder what I'm missing. I can never call you my little baby, no. When I drop, I wonder if you say my songs. Cause every time we fucking, we done came and went. But I'm the type to kill for my baby, yeah. I don't care about no fucking Rollie or Mercedes, yeah. Need somebody that really ride or dies with me, yeah. But I don't get in my feelings, I get in my bag. Shawty, if you dumb me, no, we can't go run it back. They ain't the first bitch to do the run around. I might debut first, shawty, how to sound. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy telling another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. Said I'm tired of all the acting and the bullshit. Girl, hit me back or I'll be back with a new bitch. You know they trash, but you recycling the same dick. Girl, you stay shameless, bringing up they fucking names, bitch. I can't put my pride to the side this time. Before I blow up, I'm just tryna make you mine. But if you wanna pay me for my tickets, that's fine. All you gotta do is not reply. I can't wear no heart up on my sleeve, cause it's summer, baby. Only rock basic white tees, try and break a milli. I got women lined up on the silly to get faded with me. They get just as freaky in the sheets, try and get naked for me, yeah. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy telling another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide.
Suffocated all along those lines, broken hearted every time.
stress, but you won't make a sound. You choose all your efforts, you're up then you're down. This love isn't normal, it's killing me now. Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, I've been now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different, but you tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways.
Sheesh. It's Stardust season. I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey and Fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. The girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. They be switching, I'm knowing the cap. I got back up, so no, I won't scrap. Can put us on safe, we pop like a strap. By the blow it, they hate it. By the chill, cause these girls overrated. They say that I'm flowing, they put me on playlists. I be rocking off white like I'm racist. I do what I want with my life with the matrix. Be too deep in my thoughts, I be jaded. Forget your opinion, don't need to be graded. I play in that word, they see, but I waited. Gotta hop in the studio and go make a song. By the blow, so they know we can make a bond. She be looking so bad without makeup on. By the hell, it's his watch, call me Genghis Khan. Need my check, man, he always gon' run it. Brody capping his rap, he ain't done it. I can miss you, I'm chasing this money. You work for I'm going, they start acting funny. Whenever chase, I'm always with my dogs. Yeah, we can't hang it for vibe is enough. I be rhyming all the time, taking off. RBX, I be dripping like Voss. Yeah, we be chill till these people get loud. She a baddie from Apex, she liking my style. Me need me a show to go lighter the crowd. We be turning up lately, so what's going down? I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey and Fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. They be switching, I'm knowing the cap. I got back up, so no, I won't scrap. Can put us on safe, we pop like a strap.
So many thoughts I can't fit on the page. Fuck this shit, I'ma shit off the brain. She said she like how I put it together. I been ever so I step out like a plane. Yeah, we hit the block in the cheddar. I keep the door and came up off a stain. I'm just tryna see more honest. Jump out the porch, get it anyway. Like that from my father, he went federal. They had him sitting, he ain't had no day for my body with ties. Miss some medicine, that be the only thing he's in the pain. Save more money, more problems, just kept on my mom. Cause that money be making a way. In life in the game, but I'm moving with caution. I work hard to go pick up deposits and go make a play, no positive. Gotta make sure everything fall in play like some pollen. She looked me in my face and told me she all in. I fucked her so good she can't walk out her crawling. Like somebody passed me this ball and I'm ballin'. She showed me a game, think her memory jogging. Yeah, watch out, Flocka when DK gon' run up the rest while these niggas be jogging.
I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey and Fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. They be switching, I'm knowing the cap. I got back up, so no, I won't scrap. Can put us on safe, we pop like a strap.
Pull up 2 door on my lover. Do what I want, I'ma do it forever. Yeah, I want it all, nothing less. I can do what he do, but I'm doing it better. Yeah, mix match the chrome with Marjala. I can say what I want, I don't fall for the drama. Nah. New girl, California. She be driving California. She want me like the vaccine. I made a check, didn't need no degree. I prove them all wrong, who didn't believe. life. Do it myself, I don't need no team. No kid, no scholar. Hey, baby, go farther. You can say what you want, but I'm still unbothered. Go down, get back up. Do it all myself, don't need no backup. Back then, I cannot believe I called you a friend. Hit me up now, get left on red. Learn to forgive, but don't forget. Think about the future, past is dead. Live my life with no regrets. Every day I go to sleep, wake up to a payday. See me going up, she yelling Mayday. I don't like you when I'm sober. Baby, it's all over. Wanna hop inside the road. Too fine, you belong in the spotlight. Go out every night is a highlight. Dark times right now, you a sunshine. I changed my life when I got rid of problems. I changed my life when I added a comma. Flying to Vegas to meet at a conference. I'll take a risk and I'm confident. I'll face my fear and I'll conquer it. Don't get impressed by a compliment. I'm more impressed from all my accomplishments. More than my diploma. They gon' get sick of me just like Corona. I don't give a fuck, that's my persona.
Superhero, I guess we must be my sidekick. I cannot go back, so I've been prowling for a new fix. Smoking different strains. Someone tell me where the booth is. Tell me why you lacking. I can trust you cause I know you finna fall. Too many times I told myself this marijuana getting old. I put those thoughts right in a cage. That I smoke me another bowl. Trying to melt all the time away. Every minute just too cold. I'm a sex addict. I love it when she touches the pole. My automatic bullets addicted to taking souls. We let him have it. Empty the clip and reload. My bullets on go. I smoke some blow. I need it. I need my fill. The demons, cause I'm so rich. Waiting, fiending, dreaming. Thinking about my next time. Chasing the dragon. The one in my road. I'm screaming out, fuck it. I hate the drugs. But when I use, I love it. A painful love. The kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction. The whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this. Regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro. This joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here I'll pass you some cash. You should go get more. Walking around with open arms, but my heart remaining closed. Care so much about perception. I buy designer clothes. I don't think they pay attention as long as they're fulfilled. Your homies be there for trips, but don't wanna pay the bills. Won't go up inside my lungs. Decisions so complicated. LSD on my tongue. I don't know if I'ma make it. If I die, I need a blunt. At least to keep me sedated. So tired of smoking runs. Gorilla glue, I'ma face it. Oh, I need the Adderall. Devil hits my line, and I answer that call. I don't care, no, cause I'm on my own highway to hell. Chasing cash flow, but nigga, I ain't fucking with Zell. Like, give me the cash out. These other niggas feel like laugh tracks. This at the top, look a snapback. Your song a flop, we can have that. Used to whip around in a hatchback. Now I drive around smoking big guy. With a white bitch, got a fat. Told me pass that blunt, that's that shit that I'm my road. I'm screaming out, fuck it. I hate the drugs, but when I use, I love it. A painful love, the kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction, the whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this. Regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro. This joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here I'll pass you some cash. You should go get more.
Come
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. They all in the front, they show me love, them bitches, they bought their friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands, look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary Jeans with Dolce Gabbana, Fendi T, I might throw on the Pradas. I stay flying, I do what I wanna. Who the Prince of Flatbush? I'm the king of my hood. Now let's see how that look. DC to New York, just know we all good. But nigga, don't forget who was down for you. Most these bitches was clowning you. Switch on me, I never lied to you. Now you pull up, I got rounds for you. Yeah, yeah. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. We can do this shit all again. Knew what I wanted at the age of 10. No matter story or path, I always knew money was gonna be the end. Did what I want with no consequence. Now we gon' ball at the score again. We not allowed in the store again. I think cause we bought all the clothes again. All of them packages made a shit. Found a new beat and I made a hit. This is the story I started with. We got a boat to the max, couple bands on my neck. Flying through cash and checks. You don't got a second guess. I know I'ma be the best. I know I'ma be the best, yeah. Same nigga from the block, same nigga from the steps. Roll the dice, play it twice. You just might lose your life in these streets every night. I know niggas that was getting this chicken they cooking up. Guess they good in the kitchen. I started off from the street to the city. I'm getting guap, let's go fuck up the city, yeah, yeah. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She been trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage trying to test me. Wake up feeling moody, she just wanna use me. Story of my life, every day feel like a movie. I've been with a gang, walk around with them Thule. Air Force Ones on my feet, I've been cooling. Smoking on that Doja, not cat, just Skittles. Tattoos on my body, I'ma rock it like it's brittle. She want ass shots, poke a hole like a dimple. Sticking to the code with the bros, keep it simple. And I ain't never need no soul. She just wanna call my phone. I ain't picking up, low, I won't answer. She said she a Leo, but she had like a cancer. Tell me what's the move? Tell me, baby, what you tryna do? I've been outside, what's the move? Look into my eyes, it's me and you, and that's the truth. She wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She been trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage trying to text. You wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She been trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage trying to test me.
we had was different. We was caught up in each other. Guess I should've seen a difference. Was caught up with another. Don't know how I'm dealing with it. Don't know how I'm gonna recover. Guess I gotta cut my losses or else I'm just gonna suffer. The damage was done and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. The shit went and sunk and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the Benz. So long, I'ma be like, it was time for me to vanish. Don't care if you understand it. All the nights you made me panic. I'm anxious to what you planning. Highs and lows you made me manic, but doubled it now I'm frantic. Now I'm leaving empty-handed, but happy to finally end it. 'Cause it don't even make sense when I think about the time I spent. All them years down the drain with them lies you said. Shit was never ever clear, that's why I'm upset. And I was never made aware, fuck it, I don't care. You the devil on my shoulder saying I should never leave. And I know it's finna haunt you cause I'm all you ever need. Now I'm longing for my sanity, it's hard for me to breathe. You told me that you love me, that's some shit I don't believe. The damage was done and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. This shit went and sunk and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the Benz. So long, I'ma be like the way
I got voices in my head telling me things, trying to incite the violence. I never liked it, I tried to fight it. That's now he talks and I think that he's my friend, yeah. But he came from the damage you did to me. Ever since I just been thinking differently. I know I always regret what you did to me, but it was meant to be. So long, bitch, see you on the other side. Me and your dad worked a deal you can never hide. I finally feel how I feel being dead inside. And all I gotta say to you is forever goodbye.
damage was done and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. This shit went and sunk and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the Benz. So long, I'ma be like the way out. Look, I say yo bitch a party, call her Fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same lane, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't want it. And these niggas never ballin', broke boy facts. But my money always calling, finna call back. On my back they put a target, what you call that? I just been a better artist, they won't talk back, real chat. I've been doing what I want, with no problem from the jump. It don't matter what I'm dropping, all these niggas finna bum. They be fighting over crumbs, I can never be with them. Add up all they fucking totals and you still won't get my sum. And these niggas sleeping on me, so I call them siesta. Shorty want it all, but I just had to next up. Said she had a friend and they want a trifecta. She be going hard like a fucking I say yo bitch a party, call her Fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear me play. I be winning every time, even with a head start. Niggas think they making hits, they ain't in the ballpark. They be trying to make it on, but they really fall hard. You ain't even in my zone, how you think that you a star? There's a real fine line between the confidence and cockiness. I promise that the difference lies how often they be talking it. Fuck around and do it, niggas swear that I be walking it. And they don't want no problems, but they acting like they starting it. They living the facade, always wanting what I got. Morgan Freeman, how they acting, always wanna play a part. I don't know if I'm a sign, like the treaty of Versailles. At this point I've been at war with all these niggas. I say yo bitch a party, call her Fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear
Yo, won't stop shooting till the whole thing's empty. Better take this L like MP or Zeki. Swinging my blade, don't tempt me. Farm blocks, late night, no entry. Sentry, bookies, all in the rest me. Yo, man get sort like Jazzy. 5 AM getting it for murder. No further, you got John, no wellies. Only got John, no wellies. No one to so we can't see clear. Foot on the collection to get. Wine on the window, they all disappear. The neighbours like, what happened there? Donny got shaved, but he still got hair. Big drip, little drip got 10. Got me with lurk, you be had big man sweat.
Shotgun man, slap man, boot it, chew man down, now it's Canada's ruined. Don't think we can sleep on the voyage, we came right back in it, done 2 doings. Chilling the space, but what are you doing? They just don't learn like stupid students. Got any ups, don't think, just do it. 100% bros, he's gonna shoot it. Hop at the ride, he's dashing, catching, beam man up and then vanish. Free Biggie B, well known savage, pull up on them and of course they panic. Next day, me and Nabs went on alert. Didn't see nothing, just one little strangles. This beef is frying, don't get caught lacking. Yo, too late, oh damn, he's
I
capping.
see bros, he watching, clutching, mopping. Hopped at the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking. 2 hands bow and popping. My aunt needs to ask if I'm fine. I lost on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when calls starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Man, come to the nest for a piping. Leave it, a little bro swiping.
Without that's my big power. He's on violence, he don't make no sound. Spin the whip, give a fuck by the crowd. If he chill with the odds, he ain't making me proud. Bro, what's wrong with this child? He got his time to still runs his mouth. Cause he comes to the end, if broski's riding, then I'm riding, no doubt. I got hella length things from south, just brought their back and open mouth. Blue bando, I don't chase no clout, I just hit the off, smoke it in the mouth. My broski got nicked like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. My broski got nicked like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. I see broski watching, catching, mopping, hopped at the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him, everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My aunt needs to ask if I'm fine, I lost on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when calls starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Man, come to the nest for a piping. Leave it, a little bro swiping. Riding, tap it, this shit's fantastic. Hey broski, pass me the doctor. Watchman, hops got chip, get cabbage. Oh baby, got shotties and daggers. Hammers, pull up and ups in it, dashing. Head to the blocker, just on the mad team. Side team, run up to you, no manners. Feel too stiff, so forget what happened. Angle arms, I swing it. Dip it, rip it, twist it, kill it. Everyone's battle, bro starts chinging. Gunshot, holy unit existence. We caught one, he left his misses. Pull up on my block, his scripts went flipping. 3 doors, pop shotgun, get lifted. If you got him, you would see him on pictures.
Broski watching, catching, mopping, hopped at the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped
I got another 30-minute close in 3 minutes. Not too much exciting going on. Can't take any positions because one, this range over here is choppy to the left hand side. We are trending up, but it's choppy trend. Also, our confirmation candle has no top wick, so I don't want to look to be selling off of a candle with no top wick. So we got another 30-minute closure within the range still, and yeah, so no possible entries just yet. Need to get clear one of these levels, as you can see on the annotations to the left hand side, right hand side.
Best believe if we got smoke, you know it's up. Nowadays my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust, yeah. I call a Uber if I drink too much, yeah. Hit these niggas with a Ruger, I don't play too much. My mama told me since a kid don't let them play with ya. Came in this game with my niggas and they hating us. Whoa, I got the juices like I'm high C. And shout out Brian, that's my nigga, that boy Bryce. I need a meal, I might just do it, call me Nike. These boys my son, I know they wanna be just like me. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause
it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. Bitch, you know it blow you up. Yeah.
Best believe if we got smoke, you know what's up. Nowadays my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the
Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. I'm cold, so much has been untold. Let the story unfold, I don't wanna fall down again. I'm through, I don't wanna hurt you. Can you tell me the truth? I can't do this all again. Can you make it okay? I don't know if you can save me now. I might flow away, I'm too high up on my lonely cloud. Gone too far today, you can find me in the lost and found. Please just stay away, you're the only thing I care about. Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. Take my heart every day and then go. It's my fault cause I can't let you go. I was good when you leave, I feel low. Up at night thinking about if you go. Take my heart every day and then go. It's my fault cause I can't let you go. I was good when you leave, I feel low. Up at night thinking about if you go. Up all night, drunk and high, wasting all my time till I see your eyes. Wanna stay by you cause you are my life. Pushing through it all till I reach the sky. Running circles in my head, I get scared I'm about to lose it all. Lost a piece of me, I don't know the fame could make me old. I feel all alone, all my fears are going to control. Do you really care? I don't know if I can trust a soul. I feel alone again without you. It's my home again, I'm so through. Oh my heart again, I need you. I'm sorry that I'm not with you. Take my heart every day and then go. It's my fault cause I can't let you go. I was good when you leave, I feel low. Up at night thinking about if you go. Take my heart every day and then go. It's my fault cause I can't let you go. I was good when you leave, I feel low. Up at night thinking about if you go.
What's good, Josiah? Good morning, good morning. I overslept yesterday, you overslept today. That's crazy. Did you take any trades yesterday?
I ain't feeling good, but you know that already. They not with my bitch, and she said she already. My friends want me to win, so I know we already. Lord, give me mercy already. Show out the showman, it's been
Gold, of course. Did you capitalize on the gold buys? Gold buys, yeah, them gold buys played out. Before I got off stream, I said I was looking to take buys above here on gold, and I did. Around like 9:30. This is my entry right over here. I got, and right at the break of this 50-minute high. It's a trade I took, hit for a cool 1 to 2. Pretty good day, yeah, for New York session. Not for London. London was ass. London was all it is. This was the whole London session right here. Then New York came, got a breakout, pull back. I entered on a 1 minute time frame though. But entry was on a 1 minute, so I went straight to profit, bro. After we had that breakout at that 8:30 candle, going into the 9:30 volume, 1 minute was trading like this. So, I waited to a break of this high right over here. So when I got this break of this high was my buy stop on a 1 minute time frame. The break of this high was also the break of the previous 15 minutes top wick. And I got no drawdown, bro. As soon as that shit activated, Just on the 15, yes, same idea. Whenever I trade break and retest, I like to go to the 1 minute time frame. Like when I do a breakout, I'll do a breakout based off a 30-minute closure. But when it's a retest, I will drop down to 1 minute because before I take the retest, I don't want to just. This is me personally. When I take a retest, like say we got a so you got a closure like this, where I'm looking to take a break and retest that. We got a closure above the range right over here like this. If the next candle just flips down and it just flips up, I'll take the buy off the 30-minute break of the high, right? But if it's like slowly trickling down for a retest, I want to see structure forming as it's coming down. In order for me to see the structure forming, I gotta drop down to the lower time frames. So normally when I take a break and recess, I go to the lower time frames, like the 1 minute or the 5 minute. So I identified the higher lows and higher highs. I mean the lower lows and lower highs right over here, so I can get to where I want to see that lower time frame structure shift. So I waited for the 1 minute to print the lower lows and lower highs. And once I was able to locate where we starting to trend down at, I started looking for where price could potentially flip and going back to the upside. So once we had this break of this high on a 1 minute time frame, this was showing 1 minute structure shifting to bullish, which was also showing me that the 15-minute was that the current 15-minute candle, which was this candle right here, respected the previous 15-minute lows and broke previous 15-minute highs. That was my confirmation to take that trade. was clean. It was clean. That was this trade right over here. These trades right over here. So now this challenge is at 26K. I'm up 4%, almost 5%. So I got about 5.5% to go. So I passed this challenge. Now on gold. How long you hold AUD cat for? AUD USD you mean? Oh shit, I actually got activated. But I don't know. Whenever it hits TPs. That's why it's supposed to be a swing trade. Because I'm not even monitoring it. I'm just letting him do whatever it wants to do. This is me like sample sizing though. I didn't take this on that account. I took this on a different account. Just sample sizing. I'm trying to see how I'll perform as a swing trader. Trying to take less trades a month, whatever, but more discipline on what setups I'm actually taking. So I'm sample sizing this right over here. Only got like a 9 pip stop loss on this shit though. I'm gonna do 10 pips actually, just because it sounds better. And I picked the reason why I'm doing this on AUD USD is because this is a pair I don't trade. Like if I was sample sizing, like swing trading on a gold or like a GJ, I wouldn't be disciplined to the actual swing trading because I look at that pair all the fucking time. So I'm always see different potential setups on it. So I'm doing this swing trade sample size on a pair I don't trade. That way, I don't have to keep looking at it because I don't even look at this shit anyway. So you go check it every once in a while. See where the price at. This is my starts to break even target right over here. 12 pips in profit. My overall target though, I'm trying to target these highs over here. I'm trying to hit a 1 to 4 on this, to be honest. So that's a diss trade. On the high time frames, well, the low time frames we just in bearish correction, right? This trade idea. So I say all the time, based off how I trade, after a big impulse move to the upside, we price like to slow down before doing a retracement, right? So in this case, on the high time frames, which is a 4 hour, we are creating higher highs and higher lows to the left hand side. We had a big impulse right over here, big move up, 150 pips on AUD, which is a lot. Then once we got all the way up here, price slowed down, created a higher high, a potential higher low, right? Not confirmed higher low yet. Created equal highs, and price started to consolidate within this range right over here. So this is me letting me know that price starting to slow down for the retracement. We had the retracement right over here, creating lower lows and lower highs, right? Not quite breaking highs. We had a lower high right over here, previous lower low, current lower low. Then we broke this. Once we broke this, it let me know the 4 hours starting to go back into bullish structure. This impulse to the upside right over here, going with the overall time frames trend, right? So we are bullish as long as we maintain this high low structure right over here. So now this is my new most recent higher low because we broke these highs right over here to the left hand side. That's basically this trade idea. My original position was right over here. My original buy limit was right over here, to be honest. So I wanted to take a buy like right at this break. One reason why I didn't take it was because I never actually set the buy stop. And by the time I came back to by the time I looked at it and shit, it was already right here. And I didn't want to take it right here, to be honest. I said I'm gonna wait till we get a pullback down here to take it, or a break and a pullback down here to take it. So because I didn't get this one, I waited for a break and then pullback. So it didn't quite pull back all the way down here, so I waited for this breakout and then pull back down here to actually take it. But yeah, that's the straight idea. As we come up to make equal highs right here, I'm gonna try my stops to break even. Then I'm trying to hold to 1 to 4. By the end of the week, if you don't hit that 1 to 4, I'm just gonna close it, to be honest. If you don't hit that 1 to 4 or 1 to 3 by the end of the week, I'm just gonna close it. I wanted to take sells below here, low key. The reason why I didn't take these sells is because the reason why I didn't take these sells because this 30-minute candle don't got no top wick. On the hourly don't got a top wick either. So I don't want to take a sell off a candle with no top wick. So now if we could break above here, I'll look to take the buys back up because this will just be a higher low right here. So my thought process for this now is higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But all the buys is risky. Buying right now is all risky because the overall trending down. So just like how on AUD/USD, we had a big impulse up, correction down, and then price broke high to the left hand side. They continue with the overall trend. This could be the same thing with gold. Big impulse down, correction up, and then another big impulse down to go with the overall trend. So I'm more confident on the sell than I am on the buys now. Like the buys yesterday was cool, but I don't think we're gonna buy too much. At least we're not bullish in the higher time frames until we break above this high right over here to the left hand side. But other than that, I'm cool with taking sells. My really clean sells is below here, but my risky sells is within this range. Also, we have this cool little head and shoulders setting up. But it'll be this head and shoulders will be nicer if we can have a deeper pullback all the way up here to get a more symmetrical head and shoulders. But it's not gonna always be perfect. So this is a potential position right over here. Trading this break and retest to target these lows all the way down here right over here. So I look, you want to sell more than I want to buy, but we're just gonna do whatever the market shows us.
find that it's you for greatness. I had no patience. Couple of rounds on my plate. And there's more tomorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. Sipping that solo with a fake open solo. Gotta lay low to the payroll, say so.
Like, are you here to stay or are you just okay?
My heart been tied up in knots. I'm pulling the trigger, I feel like a cop. I'm wrecking the figures to buy me a chop, and I'm chopping these bitches. They tell me to stop.
Yeah, life ain't easy when you young, and we pop out just for fun. Got no stress, yeah, I know that I'm the one. Yeah, no fun, yeah, poolside in the sun, yeah. One choice, new life, different city, different sights. We got lots of had bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice. Life going crazy, I swear that house be amazing. These women be crazy, so hold, get the fuck up on my DMs, need it. Haters, I don't see them. Chopper on me, 40 clip, wipe your nose like Kleenex. Yeah, I'm tryna be what I'm dreaming. Can't fall asleep, I ain't eat yet.
I'm hungry as fuck. I ain't gonna care.
Let me sip on my tropical juice, and let me smoke this tropical weed. I got the medicine flavors, don't think that this shit comes cheap. So bitch, don't moan, when I charge 15 for a D. Just a little nigga in his zone, grind hard, can't stay on these streets. Mishmash and I'm doing it all, dip stash and I'm getting in peak. I'm in the field all day, no time for these stupid neeks. Come, bitch, come my way, just watch how veteran speaks. Tooled up on the left for my prey, the Wiggins don't want me to eat. Man, the hood's all mad, I wish I could just make my pee, but these bitches on me, so you know I can't lack. The J boys really on my back, got me in and out of court, got me feeling a twat. And it's all my fault, cause I'm always getting caught like I'm better than that. The feds got like 10 of the gang, 3 R1, 3 Max, 3 Taz. Rest in peace with my brothers, RP Jets, RP T bands. I built a sweet one with a mean kickback. When I think about my bros, RP with my brothers, gorgeous thing, amazing round. Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What you do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he gotta move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out, if he's giving it up then we're putting him down. Real trap nigga, I'm grabbing them packs and I push it around. If the line goes stiff, then I'm hitting the strip and I percolate town. Said he got bits of the loud, what bits of the loud, bro, ring right now. I'm trying to make a killing right now, fuck that bitch, I ain't with it right now. Why this bitch wanna grab on my jumper? I thought I was a one-hit wonder. Now she calling me a one-hit wonder. I hit that once and where I went, yeah, I wonder. Bro ain't social fucker. More about these blunt replies, or these replies only gonna get blunter. Other side with some fantasy knives, shit, you don't really wanna butt this cutter. I love going round on a gorgeous glide, trying to see a gorgeous number. My mum don't like how I play with knives, well I'm real sorry mother. But I would have no joke, would take my life, so for now I gotta stay with my agua. Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What you do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he gotta move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out, if he's giving up.
Catch me running through hell, yes I'm ready to go. I don't know where to tell you when. You can catch me, you can
catch me running through hell. Yes, I'm ready to go. I don't even know where the time went. I don't know where the time went. Way too much time spent amongst the hellfire flames, burning all dry away. Madness in my brain, turning a war zone. This not my home anymore, but I will curse the sadness away.
Curse the sadness away.
Curse the sadness away. Curse the madness away. 'Cause I be damned. Yeah, I be damned if the madness don't go away. You can catch me running through hell. Yes, I'm ready to go. I don't even know where the time went. I don't know where the time went. Way too much time spent amongst the hellfire flames, burning all dry away. Madness in my brain, turning a war zone. A war zone, a war zone. Yes, I'm tired of fighting, I'm tired of running. Yeah, I'm tired of fighting, I'm tired of running. Yeah, I'm fighting with my goddamn self. Running from my goddamn self. The man's been taking over, but the show ain't over yet. And this not how my story's gonna end. Catch me running through hell. Yes, I'm ready to go. I don't even know where the time went. I don't know where the time went. Way too much time spent amongst the hellfire flames, burning all dry away. Madness in my brain, turning a war zone.
Might as well just start trading in the New York session full time, bro, because, bruh.
Had to upgrade from my regular ways. Shorty, she see that I'm on. Already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave. Told her to hop on my face.
I just wanna click shit, I ain't gonna lie.
The way you be acting, I need to find a place for that. Gave you a part of my heart, I wish I could take it back. Wish I could take it back, yeah. If we just facing facts, showing love is too late for that. Showing love is too late for that. If it's broken, I'm replacing that. Memories, I'm erasing that. Gotta go, I'm escaping that. Matter of fact, I'm upgrading. Got me a couple of dimes in my rotation. One in relations. Bigger than no conversation. Ain't got the time, too much celebrating. Another day, another dog. Now she want me as a crush.
What's good, Chris? Welcome to the stream, bro.
If I was to give you a chance, I promise it'd only be one. Find out you take it for granted.
What you looking for in the markets?
You get it left in the past tense. Can't treat me right, then I just gotta dip advantage. Said your ex, he left you trash. Just because you sad and damaged, don't give you the right to hand it. But it's too late now, yeah, it's too late now, yeah. Had to upgrade from my regular ways. Shorty, she see that I'm on. Already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave. Told her to hop on my face. It's too late for that. The way you be acting, I need to find a place for that. Gave you a part of my heart, I wish I could take it back. Wish I could take it back, yeah. If we just facing facts, showing love is too late for that. It'd be too late to show me all your love. It'd be too late for the kisses and hugs. Play with
Second time in your stream? Yeah, I need you name Bruno from there.
all of a sudden I'm her number one. Top of the list, no, I cannot forget.
You taking the trades yet?
Like when I didn't have none. Back in the days, I was down on my luck. Ain't nobody around me. I went out of my way just to give you my trust. You took it so that you could drown me. Now I'm swimming in cash, I done got to the bag, had to cut out that fake look from around me. My heart been getting colder and colder. I put up these walls and I'm
saying my boundaries. Had to switch up the normal routine. She acting different cause my pockets obese. Yes, I'ma get money fiend when it come to the paper. I cannot let you in between. What can I say? I'm sorry, not sorry about losing feelings I had back in the day. She want me to stay now, too late now, too late. Yeah. Had to upgrade from my regular ways. Shorty, she see that I'm on. Already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She run.
So I said breaking from 43.74. 43.74. We're 43.74 at, bro. Wow, it's hourly open. 43.74. I don't know what gold chart you looking at, gang. My shit at 23.46. Oh, 23.43. Okay. You got buys from 23.43. 23. So you got buys right over here. Somewhere over here. So that's that break even. Okay. Where you want to close that?
Big old chains, thick love frame and that big orange. Then I met you, shit ain't been the same. Like this pretty little thing got a hold on me and we be rocking. All this silky linen that be lining up my pockets. Know I'm good with you, fuck around and got it poppin'. All I want is you, I don't need no other options. I'ma hit the
we just hit a nasty range right here, bro.
I'm riding with my baby, going stupid, going crazy in the back of a Mercedes, getting money on the day.
Nasty range right there. Hard TP at 48, 23.48. At the top of the resistance, okay. Salsa break even, W risk management. Here it breaks out, look good, yeah. If we break out this previous wick right over here, we should continue up to at least tap into this range. So I do think your GP could hit. Now I want to sell overall though. Overall, well not necessarily today. Overall throughout the week, I think we're gonna go bullish, bro. I mean bearish. But this look too clean to break out, bro. But if this session or New York session percentage buys, I'm definitely cool with taking the buys. But I'm looking to buy above 23.46. I'm looking to buy above your TP. So once we get a closure above here after you hit TP, I'll probably be taking a buy right over here. And if we push up too aggressively and don't give me a position over here, I'll wait to New York or so and take one over here. Well, actually, I can't ignore this. You stream in New York too? No, I normally get off during New York because I watch other people stream. I watch Nick from Time to Eat stream. So I normally just stream during London when I'm trading. And then during New York, I'll watch Time to Eat stream. Time to Eat stream really helps me with my psychology and my discipline. Nick TTE, yeah. So during New York is when I really relax. Like I don't even be sitting here. I watch the stream in my bed, bro. I don't even be on the computer no more, to be honest. I have all my alerts and stuff set on my trading view on my phone, and I take a trade from my phone probably. if the trade presents itself from my own setup. I don't know. I don't take other people's trades, like streamer trades or whatever. Even though I am confident in TTE's trading ability, bro. But if his setup don't align with mine, I won't take it. So I mainly just take my own setups. So like when I get off London, I'll have an idea about what I want to see during New York, and if it happens, then I'll take the New York trade. If it don't happen, then I won't take a New York trade.
Can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side. Can you do this for me? Cause lately I've been asking why could she do this to me? I'm in my bag and I can't lie. Really fucking with me, and I can't get you out my mind. Can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side. Can you do this for me? Cause lately I've been asking why could she do this to me? I'm in my bag and I can't lie. Really fucking with me, and I can't get you out my mind.
You're watching a toothbrush play Billie Eilish. But did you know that there's a YouTube Music app where you can also listen to the EDM version, the ska version, and of course, the original version? Duh. Get YouTube Music Premium.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we headed for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stun. Oh, oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb, looking icy. I ain't never stressed about the fit, I'm a hype it. I don't want more friends, there's a problem. I be living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah, my foot is in a bed.
I need to do this shit, bro. Breaking hit for me. That's still a W. W risk management right over there. Risk management trades is always a W. This was a nice trade yesterday. What you marked out? Yeah, I took these buys over here during New York. Were you here yesterday? I thought I seen you a while ago. I don't think I seen you yesterday. Yeah, I definitely didn't see you yesterday, bro. You took it too nice. Yeah, before I got off stream yesterday, I had said I was looking to take buys above here if we get a candlestick closure and a break of the highs right over here. I took two positions. I took two buys. Before I got off stream yesterday, I said if we get a closure above here, I'll enter at the break of these highs right over here. So I had this buy stop after this closure. So I took this buy stop, and as well as this buy stop, I took another position. Now yesterday was the first time I subbed. I didn't write nothing in the chat. Oh shit. Somebody else with a name like yours was in chat before then. I definitely remember that name, bro. Well, something similar to that. Yeah, I was looking at taking the buys above here, so I took those buys and a buy stop. Before the buy stop even got activated, I scaled in down here. I made a whole YouTube video on how I use the 1 minute time frame to take break and recess. So if you want to watch that video, you could. But this is basically what I said in the video. I like to see structure form on lower time frames, which is a 1 minute, to then take a buy position. So I want to see a structure shift on a 1 minute time frame. So in this case, this is a 1 minute time frame. And a bullish example. So we got a 30 minute closure above. After 30 minute closure above, I wanted to see lower time frames start to trend down, like actually trend. I don't want to see aggressive push down for a retest. I need to see actual structure forming on the retest for me to take a position off of the retest. So I've noticed the structure forming. This is my most recent lower high structure on the 1 minute time frame. So once we started to break above here, I knew that we 1 minute transition into bullish structure, right? This wick right over here, I think I got it on this candle actually. I remember what candle I got it on, bro. I got it on one of these fucking candles. The wick over here, the wick that I entered off of, as the 1 minute switch to bullish structure, was also the 15 minutes top wick, the pre 15 minutes wick. Where my position just go? Oh, so it was actually a 15 minute wick too. So not only was the 1 minute breaking structure to continue to the upside, we was breaking the pre 15 minutes high. This was the candle I entered on. All right, we was breaking the 15 minutes high, and this candlestick right here created a bottom wick first, respecting the previous candlestick lows, and then broke the highs. So once we broke the highs, in 1 minute, also going into bullish structure, I took the buy. My stop loss below the 15 minute candle. This was one position I was in, and then as this position went in profit, this buy stop got activated right over here, and I had this stop loss over here. So I ended up taking both of these. Yeah, the thing about the 1 minute, because yeah, a lot of people say they don't feel confident on the 1 minute because the 1 minute present a lot of fake outs, but the 1 minute is good for getting sniper entries, but you just gotta make sure you go in pro trend. You just gotta go pro trend, and the 1 minute gotta line up with the higher time frames. Like wherever you want to buy it on the 1 minute at a break of a candle, that candle has to be aligned with a 15 minute or 30 minute wick. That's how I like to trade it. So if it aligns, like how that 1 minute lower high structure was also the 15 minutes top wick, I'll take that trade because it aligns with a higher time frame. And if you look on these 3 bearish 15 minute candles, right, all of these candles are respecting highs and breaking lows, showing me there is structure in here. So from this high on this 30 minute candle right over here, we pushed down, created this bottom wick. Now the next candle made a top wick, and this bottom wick broke the previous bottom wick. So we are respecting highs and breaking lows as we coming down. So I know if we could break one of these highs, this will be a structural break on a lower time frame. So this is just, these wicks is just lower time frame trend. Same thing to the upside, right? Same idea to the upside. These top wicks and bottom wicks are just lower time frames trend for each of these 15 minute candles, right? That's just be marking up on a 15 minute, and if you go to 1 minute, you're going to see higher low structure.
With YouTube TV, try it free. Terms apply. Cancel anytime.
The same markup: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Equal highs, higher low, higher high. And then look, once we broke through this low right here and this low right here, which also aligns with this 15 minute, with the previous 15 minute wick, this previous 15 minute wick over here, the next candlestick respected the previous 15 minute high and then broke lows. This was the same trade idea, just in the opposite direction to trade back to the bottom of the range. And it would have played out, just would have took a lot longer. So as long as the 1 minute is aligned with the highs and lows of 15 minute or 30 minute, then I like to take the 1 minute setups. I don't take them too much, but when they present itself, they always almost always a good setup. We came from the bottom. I got a script from the dark. Yeah, got Percocet problems. My haters want me to. I get better R when I take 1 minute setups. So trades over 1 minute time frame. Fuck it, I'm calling. You better pick up the phone when I phone you. I don't go bro, that's the shit that my clones do. I don't show love to a whole unless I own you. I wanna hold you. Don't always do the shit that I'm supposed to. Like this trade was almost a 1 to 2. This position. My first idea was only a 1-to-1. So with the woman entry got me a better R. Once this first push up closed above this high, I closed partials on this position. So around here is where I closed partials at. So as soon as I got in on my overall position, I closed partials on this position. That's how I manage the trade.
We took a pic and I posted. I remember the block I was posted. My rapping gon' shine like a glow stick. I'm like, can you swallow this whole shit? They riding my wave like an ocean. Wait, I can't tell the time of my new Audemars. I do this shit, I gon' set me apart. Yeah, girl, I'm a savage.
Yeah, so you see my first position entry was
I took her home and I ripped her apart.
23.48 was my first position, and then my other buy stop was 23.49. Both of those positions, and I closed them around the same time at 23.51, and then 23.55, 23.55, 23.55.
And ad-free videos on the YouTube Kids app, so kids can bounce the Kids Bop without missing a beat.
That shit was clean as fuck though.
It's way more than ad-free. Try 1 month on us.
I just took a Benzo, but I just want to vibe with my friends though. And don't put me up in no friend zone. But can we still fuck?
See, sales right here would be nice too. I ain't gonna lie.
Probably not. I'm in the city.
Well, sales they're not gonna be nice. They'll be risky, but they could play out. This is not necessarily nice. But got a break. Got to break out to the downside. A pullback. Inside this pullback, we got then let's start into 50-minute. 50-minute candle. We are creating highs, respecting lows. Creating highs, respect lows. Then we broke all of those lows to the downside right over here. And let's see if this lines up the 1 minute time frame. Not the cleanest. When I use a 1 minute time frame, I don't even like looking at a candlestick chart. I don't really just use a line chart, bro. The line chart looks focused more on closures and not just the wicks. The wicks on the 1 minute chart look crazy. So I would look at this price point here. We broke this high right over here to the left hand side. This is my most recent high or low. This could have been a 1 minute entry, only if it aligns with a 15-minute time frame. So the 15-minute, yep, and this candle broke these lows right over here. Boom. This could have been stops the break-even point. Trust stops the break-even. Stop loss could have been right above these highs over here for about 30 pips stop loss. Target the bottom of the range. Potential 1 to 1.5. And let's see. Wouldn't hit a 1-on-1 yet. Almost hit a 1-on-1. This has been a 1-on-1, but potential for a 1 to 1.4. Only problem with this one is I wouldn't take this. I need to see a deeper pullback. This pullback not deep enough. I need to see that it pullback actually tap into the range first, and then go to lower time frames, wait for a range, and take the trade like this. This sort of trade I would be looking to take. But the reason this would be like a risky trade because we're still bullish. We're still bullish on the 15 and 30 minute time frame until we close below this low. This is our most recent higher low structure. So this could just be a pullback to continue up. Anything within the range could just be a pullback. It can come all the way down here and then push up. But this is all considered pullback area. Not bearish until we close below here. Also, the traffic to the left hand side, not the cleanest, right? You got a lot of rejections, right? You got a lot of rejections at minor levels right over here that price could just reject off of. So I wouldn't even take this either. But just because I wouldn't take it, don't mean it can't play out. It's just not as high probable for me. But the idea is still there.
YouTube Premium is
you like GJ? Yeah, I like GJ too. I take GJ as well. But GJ setups haven't been playing out for me. On GJ, I was looking at taking the buys over here. GJ buys right over here with this break and retest. I just didn't take it because I was in gold. I went over this during London too. I didn't take this one because we didn't have no top wick here. We had this 30-minute closure right over here. I didn't take it. I didn't take this brick in the house because we didn't have no top wick. Then the pullback happened. When the pullback happened, I was already in gold, so I didn't want to take gold and GJ. So I was like, I'm already in gold. I'm doing good on gold. I'm not gonna take GJ. But this played out as well. We had this 30-minute breakout over here. Price came down to retest. Let's look on the lower time frames for the retest. All right, so the lower time frame. This will be my structure levels. Potential buy could have been at the break of this high-low, 1 minute high-low structure right over here. Bring it to the left. Stop loss could have been below the level of support. 12 pips for aggressive stop loss or conservative stop loss, about 20 pips. And let's see if this aligns with high time frame wick. And boom, another 1 minute setup. Fire. I took a nice buy on GJ this morning, targeting highs. Yeah. That's nice. These are the buys I was looking at for yesterday as well. I just didn't take it because I was in gold, but it still played out. Every trade I take live, like if you miss a live or something like that, or every trade I don't take on live, like if I take a New York session trade, I always post it on my IG. I've been trading for 3 years. Every trade I take like off live or on live, but a lot of times I take trades off live. Well, not a lot of times. Sometimes I take trades off live, but I don't see a setup. So if I take a New York session trade, I always post a live trade right here. I might not take it on live, but I actually record myself taking trades. But this was the trade I took during New York. Also created lower lows and lower highs on the 1 minute time frame. As you can see here, we created lower lows and lower highs. This push up broke this high to the left hand side, then another push down, creating another lower high structure, then a push up again, breaking this high, and this high on the 1 minute time frame. Right, that gave me confirmation that we was starting to continue bullish. At the break of this high right over here is also the break of the previous 15 minute. All right, we're currently holding about 1% in profit, about almost $300 on this position. Price is aggressively pushing. At this point, I'm thinking about telling my stops to break even on my first position, or this position down here. So that's what I'm going to do. Floating on up in some profits. So we're going to trail stop loss here, and we're going to trail stop loss on that other buy stop that I have set as well. And we enter into that 930 volume, so that's good as well. I'm starting to post like live trading reels on Instagram, on my trading Instagram. So you just give my trading Instagram a follow, bro. If you use Instagram, if not, it's cool too, bro. You feel me? But yeah, this trade was cool though. I like this trade. 800 or 900. So yeah, that'd be cool. Oh. I was gonna hold a runner, but I ended up closing full. Good thing I closed full, bro. We're gonna close some partials right over here on this position as well. Thanks for the follow, bro. Appreciate that shit for real. Target. positions. Partial close up 1% again on this other position. We're gonna close partials here as well. Partials close. I secured, and that'll be it for the close trades today. 1, 2, 3, about $400 in secured profits, and still have $132 in floating profits, man. Banger, 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 banger. Matter of fact, fuck that shit, bro. Fuck it. You gonna close all of it, bro. Fuck it. Yeah. I'm done for the day, man. We good. We good. Made about $600 on today, man. It's your boy Traderholics, and I'm off this bitch of the level. And that fit. I was about to hold a runner, bro, but good thing I did hold a runner because right after hit TP, reverse, I would've got broken even on a runner. Cause trading to the left, looking to the left hand side, bro, we got all the clean traffic right over here to keep continuing up. But I didn't want to hold a runner because it was late in New York session. It was also a bank holiday, and we tapping into this level of resistance right over here. So I was like, man, I'm just gonna close full. Fuck it. And I closed. Sniper X's, bro. Sniper entries, sniper X's. Yeah, I'm trading funded though. Funded with Clarity Traders. 25K. I have a 25K funded account, and I'm doing a 25K challenge. So the one you see right here is a challenge. This is a challenge I just got like on Monday last week, I think. Let's see when I started this challenge. May 21st. When I started this challenge. These are all the trades I took on challenge so far. Well, I took less. I didn't take this many damn trades. It's less trades than this, but as I close partials, it's always make it look like I closed 2 different positions. Like over here from yesterday, I only took 2 positions, right? But it looked like 4 because I closed partials 2 times on each position. So looked like I took 4 trades, but yeah, these are all the trades I've took on this challenge so far, and I'm up 4%, almost 5%. So I'm passing this challenge live, basically. Then on MT5 on my phone, I'm up. MT5 on my phone is where I trade on my account that I'm already funded on. I didn't take that gold trade on my phone yesterday though, because I'm waiting for my payout. I'm in profit like 3% or something. Let me see. So I journal my trades. Whenever you see me journal my trades, you'll see me open up 2 journals. This is my challenge journal that I'm working on, the one I'm up 4% on, the one I just showed you on Trade Locker. And these are the trades I've been taking. So I took 1 loss, 4 wins. And I got another trading journal that I take. You might see me go on, and this is this journal right over here. I'm up 2%. So this is the one this is the journal I'm already funded on. These are trades I already took on it. I got 8 break evens, bro. 8 break evens is crazy. Well, my lot size just depends on how many pips I'm risking. So I don't have like a designated lot size. I literally just do whatever 1% risk is, or sometimes I risk 0.5%. With gold recently, I've been having like 50 pip stop losses, bro. But whatever is equivalent to $250, that's what lot size I use. To calculate my lot size, for MT5, I just go on pip calculator. I go on pip calculator. I go all the way down to gold. Well, you only gotta go to gold. You could just do fucking. It don't matter which one you do, bro. Just do eurjpy. It's the same fucking shit. Whatever. I'll pick how many pips. Say I got a 50 pip stop loss, whatever. I'll do 50 pip stop loss, and then I keep dropping the numbers until I see whatever is fucking $250. So 0.50. Then that's the lot size I use. Whatever. Or say I got a random number 63 pip stop loss, whatever. I just keep dropping down until I get it to say 250. So in between then this is stop loss. This is the lot size I use. That's basically what I do. For MT5. For trade locker is a lot better, to be honest. Cause trade locker, bro, I don't know if you know what trade locker is, or I don't know if you use trade locker. But say I'm taking a gold position right over here. I could just put risk and how much I want to risk. So I say I want to risk $250. If I type 20, no matter where I put my stop loss at, it's going to calculate the lot size for me. So I want to put stop loss up here, it's going to do the lot size for me. So that's how it works with trade locker. Or say I want to do the percent I want to risk. Say I want to risk 1% of my overall account balance. It'll do how much money that is in percentage for me. I just put the stop loss accordingly. See the dollar number right here never changed, and it's always just gonna be 1% no matter where I put the stop loss at. So trade locker calculates lot size for you. I think I said that shit like 5 times, bro.
Here's a little motivation for those of you.
Today for me it look like it might be another New York session today, bro. Damn, I should have took this. This would have been nice, bro. I'm starting to get into trading indices and futures too. All right, because my next challenge is going to be a future challenge. I'm gonna go to a futures broker. Well, not a future broker, a futures platform. So I want to start trading NASDAQ, bro. So I've been live testing like my strategy on NASDAQ. I haven't trade futures yet. So whenever you see me pull up a futures stream, like a futures chart, like NASDAQ or something like that, or like S&P 500 or whatever, I'm not actually taking that trade. I'm just live testing my strategy. Cause I don't like back testing, bro. Back testing is ass as fuck to me, bro. I don't like going in, looking at past data and bar replay mode to try to back test. I'd rather just do it in live actual markets. I would have been a drawdown on this trade though. I almost got stopped out. Almost stopped out. Almost stopped out to then, let's see, 14. TP1 would have been up here. Stops the break even right here.
Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it on. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil lie every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know.
Oh, this is about S&P 500 idea I was looking at. Now I'm not gonna actually take it, but this is me live, like testing in live markets. Now I could trade S&P 500 on the firm I'm trading, the prop firm I'm trading with now. I can actually trade this, but I haven't traded this too much. Like I don't know nothing about it too well. So I'm live testing my strategy on these futures and indices charts.
Can I hit it in the morning? Cause I'm flying, man, I'm soaring. I'm just going through the motions. There's no telling where we're going. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it on. No, I'm a playboy.
If gold could for some reason just get a bunch of fucking volume out of nowhere.
Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada.
If gold could get some volume out of nowhere, right? And do this, bro. Come all the way down here before New York. Come all the way back up here before New York. I didn't break below here during New York. I'll definitely take that, bro. But while we playing around right here, all of this, there's no trade for me, bro. No decisions to be made until we get out of this range.
Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying out these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying out these pills, how I'm living now. Yeah, I didn't want that cake. She didn't want my money when I pull up in the rave. Hop on my way, but where am I going? Get into the cake, yeah, you know I'ma blow it. Yeah, you know I got a problem, but I just want a cake. Money on me, yeah, you know I won't change. Too many thoughts when I pull up in the range. Too many thoughts when I pull up in the range. Yeah, I didn't want a cake. She didn't want my money when I pull up in the range. Hop on my way, where am I going? Get into the cake, yeah, you know I'ma blow it. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying out these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying out these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying out these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, pop a little mullet, hope I don't die. Why she always lying? Yeah, I see it in her eyes. Pull up in the coupe, now she going ride. Pull up in the coupe, now she going ride. Now I'm feeling alright. I'm speeding through the night. I'ma curl my whip, and I hope it don't die. I don't want that cake. She don't wanna fuck me when I pull up in the rape. Hop on my way, but where am I going? Get into the cake, yeah, you know I'ma blow it. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying out these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying out these pills, how I'm living now. Hey, sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Hey, running on my guap and it's steady now. Hey, I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Hey, trying out these pills, how I'm living now.
I'm hungry as fuck, bro.
Never been a hating type, baby love me on sight. And yes, you know I can't stay tonight, but I feel Henny on ice. And yeah, we really getting faded right. Yeah, girl, I'm trying to feel nice. And all this music, I'm taking flight. Yeah, everything feel right. I ain't really into popping off, cause begging ain't my type. Finna put a Benz in my parking lot, and my brothers shoot, they don't fight. So we don't really sit and just talk a lot. Don't think I had an off night. She see me slide in that parking lot, I think she like the off-white. And no, I really don't say a lot, they heard and know what I did. Can't wait until a nigga drop the top, thinking about how I live. And I can make your name popular, but I ain't giving out drips. And yeah, I'm focused on popping off, you know I'm just trying to win. If I keep on going retarded, I'll put on for where I started, cause I know they all wanna see me ballin'. I gotta work hard, ain't no bargains, think that I'm wild and I really been jogging. Man, I need some ice, to bargain. She do it all, so she know that I'm all in. So she know that I'm all in. Push that cash so fast, I just can't move in when it got bad. You can't steal my fashion, you wouldn't know what I did for this bag. I ran it up, now I'm laughing, it in the question to chase this cash. This next shit bound to happen, cause I know I'm about to be in my bag. Up in my bag, yeah. Chasing a bag, yeah. I got a call on my bad habits. Boy, you sauce with the fashion, it put together like some mathematics. And I keep it moving, the girl, what you doing? And you said you bad at it. They know I ain't losing, cause I keep it moving and I got a bag out it. Hop in a foreign, I'm taking a flight. Said I ain't never been a hating type. Yeah, you gotta pay tonight if you really tryna stay tonight. Yeah, ball in the rain tonight, jump the stars in the race tonight. Yeah. I ain't never been a hating type, baby love me on sight. And yes, you know I can't stay tonight, but I feel Henny on ice. And yeah, we really getting faded right. Yeah, girl, I'm tryna feel nice. And all this music, I'm taking flight. Yeah, everything feel right. I ain't really into popping off, cause begging ain't my type. Finna put a bench in my parking lot. And my brothers shoot, they don't fight. So we don't really sit and just talk a lot. Don't think I had an off night. She see me start in that parking lot. I think she like the off-white. And no, I really don't say a lot. They heard and know what I did. Can't wait until a nigga drop the top. Thinking about how I live. And I can make your name pop.
Born in your race, slaps on face. I've been, give and take. I'm a race. I've been, I gotta keep it with the facts. Chains on it like where you at. Cover it, gotta keep my track. Born in your race, slaps on face. I've been, give and take. I'm a race. I've been, I gotta keep it with the facts. Chains on it like where you at. Cover it, gotta keep my track. Cause I've been needing more than company. And I've been seeing they don't fuck with me. And I've been losing all my energy. This a melody for your broken remedy. Y'all the best bitch, only care about the fits. I mean, I the callus on my face, I was fucking up the shits. I mean, I hit up on the grip, tryna play me for a trick. I mean, I been up in the dish, I can never ever snitch. I mean, I tell me you figure underwear, I be putting on my side. Forget it, living in a Honda Civic, cause I know that bitch, she gon' ride. Fasting, I be crashing, hopefully I won't die. Flashing, wanna splash in, yeah, you better watch for the tide. I've been searching for a way. 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 Born in your race, slaps on face. I've been, give and take. I'm a race. I've been, I gotta keep it with the facts. Chains on it like where you at. Cover it, gotta keep my track. Born in your race, slaps on face. I've been, give and take. I'm a race. I've been, I gotta keep it with the facts. Chains on it like where you at. Cover it, gotta keep my track. Cause I've been needing more than company. And I've been seeing they don't fuck with me. And I've been losing all my energy. This a melody for your broken remedies. She said I hate my day job. I don't feel it. I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none. Dollar billies. One time. She said I hate my day job. I don't feel it. I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none. Dollar billies in my bag run. Fuck your feelings, I detach them. Wonder why I had them. With her bad lungs, running back to him. Keep coming back if I don't know. Are you tired of understand why? Probably just a habit. She running till the cash comes. Wonder what happened. Busy on the inside. Why ain't got the answer? Why ain't got hands? Why don't got answer? You and your friends, where have you been? She said I hate my day job. I don't feel it. I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none. Dollar billies in my bag run. Fuck your feelings. I need pilot. I'm gon' high. Parachute. This my first. If we land in quicksand, tell them to. My tie, body bags, polyglad. Had that price on my head. Took her hand in July. Couple months before again. Take my day job. What do you want? I just want another blunt. And shawty, she calling. I know, baby, what you want. I got hoes in my section. Look at my direction. She a IG thought. All she want is impressions. I got what she want. That's why she in my section. I'm with slimes. Wipe your nose. We a bless. It's my time. I'm taking what's mine. Why you worry about you? I'm worried about mine. So we back at it, I just had a double back. And I keep on backtracking, I just made another stack. All these mixed emotions got me a little confused. Like what you tryna do, what do you want? I just want another blunt. And shawty, she calling, I know, baby, what you want. I got hoes in my section, look at my direction. She a IG thought, all she want is impressions. I got what she want, that's why she in my section. I'm with slimes, wipe your nose, we a bless. It's my time, I'm taking what's mine. Why you worry about you? I'm worried about mine. Yeah, now they hear me. Yeah, I'm on the block with a shimmy. Sipping on it, I don't do no rim. Yeah, smoking on that, can you hear me? Yeah, we got the muddy, you feel me? I got a hole in the belly. We got rice, got plenty. Bitch, I'm a P like Diddy. Try make them pop like Diddy. She want the lean, I got plenty. Make mama purr like Penny. I put your bro in a pendant. Niggas talk hot, don't feel it. X just pulled up in Bentley. I leave red like Trippy. Niggas talking bands, got plenty. What do you want? I just want another blunt. And shorty, she called. And I know, baby, what you want. I got hoes in my section. Look at my direction. She a IG thought. All she want is an impression. I got what she want. That's why she in my section. I'm with slimes. Wipe your nose. We gon' blast. It's my time. I'm taking what's mine. All you worry about you. I'm worried about mine. Yo, what do you want? I just want another blunt. And shorty, she called. And I know, baby, what you want. I got hoes in my section. Look at my direction. She a IG thought. All she want is impressions. I got what she want. That's why she in my section. I'm with slimes. Wipe your nose. We a blessing. It's my time. I'm taking what's mine. Why you worry about you? I'm worried about mine. Yo. Got a Cardi on me poppin' when I shoot, I never miss. She gon' ask if I'm in love, I never lie, I plead the fifth. Only want me cause I'm icy and I'm pricey with the fist. You can see the way I'm shiesty, all my diamonds really gliss. Got a Cardi on me poppin' when I shoot, I never miss. She gon' ask if I'm in love, I never lie, I plead the fifth. Only want me cause I'm icy and I'm pricey with the fist. You can see the way I'm shiesty, all my diamonds really gliss. Got me charged up like a Tesla with the whole world in my hand. Mama told me keep it moving so I don't fear any man. You ain't really with the shits and you don't even got a plan. Most these rappers really capping when they say they getting banned. Plus I know the shit you saying when I'm really not around. All that talking get you lit, you steady playing out of bounds. Now you tryna be a friend to me, too late you really foul. Ain't no M1s in this game cause after one you fouling now, yeah. Got a Cardi on me poppin' when I shoot, I never miss. She gon' ask if I'm in love, I never lie, I plead the fifth. Only want me cause I'm icy and I'm pricey with the fist. You can see the way I'm shiesty, all my diamonds really gliss. Got a Cardi on me poppin' when I shoot, I never miss. She gon' ask if I'm in love, I never lie, I plead the fifth. Only want me cause I'm icy and I'm pricey with the fist. You can see the way I'm shiesty, all my diamonds really gliss. Mr. Flex a lot, I told you that I do this on the regular. My cellular be jumping cause these people never get enough. The best them up, never be regretting what I says to them. I'm unapologetic so these people think I'm testing them. Leveling up on the daily and nothing can face me, I'm king of the game. But the comments the Louis, the Prada, then it's not my problem, I'm sorry to say. All my life I'm really popping off, I'm sorry for the way. Y'all disgusting and be falling off, you really never change. Got a Cardi on me popping when I shoot, I never miss. She gon' ask if I'm in love, I never lie, I plead the fifth. Only want me cause I'm icy and I'm pricey with the fist. bliss. You can see the way I'm sexy on my diamonds really gliss. Got a Cardi on me popping when I shoot, I never miss. She gon' ask if I'm in love, I never lie, I plead the fifth. Only want me cause I'm icy and I'm pricey with the fist. You can see the way I'm sexy on my diamonds really gliss.
Survey on the beat, wait.
She got me swimming in her section. VIP and MVP, she never had me guessing. Pop a pussy like a question. Jump on a flight, we can fly out to Aruba. Ice in a cooler, shooter, I've got a Ruger. It's fine by me, we can down with some 5-star jeans. And valet with a rock star jean. Count up into my hot scene. Yeah, you got different flavors, you is so dope and delightful. If you and me were neighbors, then our hearts might need a Bible. Eyes closed, I don't wanna see you go.
She the life for, she the life for. She the life for, she bad, yeah, the devil need a Bible. But I'm committed, my decision, it is final. She brought me back from the dead, irrevival, revival. She the life for, she bad, yeah, the devil need a Bible. But I'm committed, my decision, it is final. She brought me back from the dead, irrevival.
Damn, gold boring the fuck out of me, bro.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Fucking nothing moving, bro. Damn.
I'm ahead of terror, got me serving through the interstate. Ran away from the past and the nonsense. Tired of toxic games, not an option. Made it out from the mud, I'ma find this. Taking off hella fast, I'm a Martian. Yeah, pressure on my body on sync, yeah. Never had a copy for the clicks, no, ayy. Money always got me feeling big, yeah. In a drop top, zooming 96, I'm gone. There's some moves adding up, got money making hits, now you're not catching up. Pull me up, yeah, I'ma drink, now there ain't any luck. I've been working this a bitch, you can catch me posted up with a yeah, let it roll. 5K on a chain, that's where I be gone. Look both ways for the ops, yeah, they want me gone. Trust no games, I don't play, I don't want it, nah. I was down bad, now I'm up like a star. People in the past tense doing bad like a dart. Everybody watch me, cause I'm on it and they not. Put it in a high speed, kick it, get a foreign high. Can't nobody cross me, I be rolling with my stars. Swerving in and out of lanes, party I like every day. I'ma keep on going, I just want another 100K. Shawty wanna wet it rain, ride it down my everything. I'm ahead of terror, got me serving through the interstate. Ran away from the past and the nonsense. Tired of toxic games, not an option. Made it up from the mud, I'ma find this. Taking off hella fast, I'm a Martian. Yeah, pressure on my body on sync, yeah. Never had a copy for the clicks, no, ayy. Money always got me feeling big, yeah. In a drop top, zooming 96, I'm gone. I try to save the world, yeah. No one knows who to trust. It started off with words, yeah. Now it's trying to fight all these cards.
Well, I'm on the road, high speed chase, that's what I love. Can't see what I can't control. Did it once, yeah, I do it once again. Watch my father, yeah, he taught me how to win. Cop new Prada, money taught me how to spin. Waves like water, music taught me how to swim. I'ma fill my bottle way up to the wind. Back then, yeah, I never talked at all. Ashes, yeah, let them bitches fall. I've been way better than before. Posted with my cash still in talk. Hey, yo, watch this. Got a foreign girl searching for my necklace. Got $100,000 on my checklist. All the money you made, that's my worst slip. You ain't learning. I be a new person. I be making money fast. They be so determined. I be working every day. Yeah, I'm up on my circuit. Got me another diamond chain made it from the surface. I been hurting. Would you live with me straight till the end? Baby, don't leave my back. I'm too spent. This is what I got, yeah, it's how it been. But that's okay, cause I'm making that. Don't like me, well, I'm on the road. High speed chase, that's what I love. Can't see what I can't control. Did it once, yeah, I do it once again. Watch my father, yeah, he taught me how to win. Cop new Prada, money taught me how to spin. Waves like water, music taught me how to swim. I'ma fill my bottle way up to the rim. Toss it all. Ashes, yeah, let them bitches fall. I've been way better than before. Posted with my cash that it's all.
This nigga on me now. Y'all niggas already know what the fuck going on. Babyface, APM, Lil Suit, Melvin, whatever the fuck you wanna call me, right? Just know you put a battery in my bag, I might put a bullet in your face. Smoking on that ox, put a hole in the ozone. Push your weight, I still trap up my own phone. I'm too deep in this shit, man, I'm so gone. Tell that bitch I wanna keep her clothes on. Nigga, run up on me, get your mind blown. Got shot screenshots to an iPhone. I hop on a BJ and me and my man fucking bitches in all different time zones. Bitch, I'm rolling on swiggity, swiggity. Give me a blickety, blickety, bop, blickety, bop, bop, bop. I treat my life like a jigsaw. I didn't kick down the door with the big knob. With a 10 flag in my left hand. My life a movie like Pixar. My lifestyle way too old for me. Know a couple niggas stole from me. Just cause I'm young, they think that I'm dumb, but they will never get a hold of me. That's why I always got the pole on me. For anything, I'm a step. They told me kill him with kindness. I'd rather kill him for respect. If niggas gotta die, so be it. You would probably cry if you see it. So don't pay no mind, just leave it. Cause I put myself first like Sophia. You bitch made, pussy I know that. Man's dead, only live through a throwback. Bitch, I'ma up with this Glock that I keep in the sock for an op that be on the corner. Gang spinning, sending shots early morning. And we blowing smoke for whoever want it. Gun in the coat in case you was wondering. It is rich out without any warning. I got blood on my bandana. I told bro hide his face from the damn camera. Might pull me a four from a can fan. I just rock for my shit, I ain't have Santa. Catch your op and put him in a blunt. And it's funny, I don't even smoke. But I'ma still stop for a run. Yeah, run up, I'm letting it blow.
I was thinking I'm gonna stay here for 30 more minutes, bro. I'm about to stare through another long ass fucking rain during the London, bro.
I'm just waiting on the call. Say you with me, you just wishing that I fall. Stay down, cause you know I do it all. Put the money in the safe, fall. I might spend it all on my bitch. Put the money in the safe, till I'm rich. Got a real solid shark, she don't switch. Yeah, solid gold, rolling, no tick. Walking with a drip, don't slip.
Spin a bag and Neiman Marcus told the clerk hello. Walk in with my bitch, you walk all yellow. Catch them flights, gotta stop in and let it Heathrow. Send them by the window while I'm counting Cinos. Spin another bag and we do it all again. We tryna run it up to my ball, what's the plan? All up in my mentions when I see them, they my fans. You win, then you lose, gotta take another chance. Let's go to my lady, yeah, call me when you need me. If I told them what I made, they would not believe me, yeah. Said this shit was easy. Got some love in the bay, I feel like G-Eazy. Bitch, I'm fired up, I feel like KBZ. Your times are solo shows and they all lined up. I cannot complain cause this is what I signed up for. They give me looks when I spend racks at designer store. She a thought for Chanel, she design a whore. Only outcome is income, got her money galore. I'm doing good, but I know there is more. What a life, so I prep a better day. Thanking God, cause I finally found a way. On a PJ from the A to LA. Asking for a hand, I'll get a fuck out my face. All day I'll drive at night. Spin a bag and Neiman Marcus told the clerk hello. Walk in with my bitch, you walk all yellow. Catch them flights, gotta stop in and let it Heathrow. Send them by the window while I'm counting Cinos. Spin another bag and we do it all again. We tryna run it up to my ball, what's the plan? All up in my mentions when I see them, they my fans. You win, then you lose, gotta take another chance. Let's go.
I might just pull her like a face ray. In the back with a bitch spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain and it's cheapskates. Then win and cash it all out on the same day. Just like a face ray. I might just pull her like a face ray. In the back with a bitch spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain and it's cheapskates. Then win and cash it all out on the same day. Just like a face ray.
Had to go get my M, so I got on my bed, it's a burlap sack, yeah. Now they in my phone, but they won't get to where I'm at, yeah. Mama always told me that them boys gon' hold you back. You got way too much potential to be worrying, that's a fact. Okay, finna skirt the Biscayne. Bentley, I'ma switch lanes. You can't step to me, so don't you bother looking this way. It doesn't know me, I just got wifey by like 6 rings. Tried to say they ballin', but that isn't what they bitch say. All I want, that's on the regular. I talk that money talk, it's on my cellular. Pull up in that all black SUV like Santa does. My chains be shining, I can't hide them, I can't get them.
I might just pull her like a face ray. In the back with a bitch spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain and it's cheapskates. Then win and cast it all out on the same day. Just like a face ray. I might just pull her like a face ray. In the back with a bitch spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain and it's cheapskates. Then win and cast it all out on the same day. Just like a face ray. Building up my confidence, I ain't got no time for that. In a whip with a bitch and she confident. Yeah, she mad me like an athlete. Living lavish like a bad bitch. Pull up in a brand new whip. Look at my diamonds hit. Ride around with a stick. Gucci all on my feet. Look at my diamonds popping. On the road, you can't stop me. While your nuts keep dropping. I'm on the top while you talking. I said, bitch, get the fuck
got my face. I'ma shoot with the stick, let it spray. Do the money dance, I'ma make these 100 bands. Skirt up in a whip, shoot them down. I'm like a spoiler, like a face ray. In the back with a bitch spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain out of see cheapskates. Then when it cash it all out on the same day. Just like a face ray. I might just pull it like a face ray. In the back with a bitch spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain out of see cheapskates. Then when it cash it all out on the same day. Just like a face ray.
There you go. Bro, got it.
I put a four on my spine, a little baby, she told me that I gotta do better. Stuck in my ways and I'm never gonna change. You can't hate on me, young and I know better. Speaking your language and law, I don't give a fuck, so I'm calling you Rosetta. When it rain, double R's on my umbrella. I know the pain, now I'm looking for a vendetta. Red roses on your pedestal, put my pen inside the backwood. Fuck game is exceptional. I've been thinking you been skeptical. Red roses on your pedestal, put my pen inside the backwood. Fuck game is exceptional. I've been thinking you been skeptical. Whoa, that thing rock star, shorty gon' be dancing with a star. That big goofy whole reason why I got my scar. I was so high, move right to the face of Mars. You don't want no war. I put a four on my spine, a little baby, she told me that I gotta do better. Stuck in my ways and I'm never gonna change. You can't hate on me, young and I know better. Speaking your language and law, I don't give a fuck, so I'm calling you Rosetta. When it rain, double R's on my umbrella. I know the pain, now I'm looking for a vendetta. Red roses on your pedestal, put my pen inside the backwood. Fuck game is exceptional. I've been thinking you been skeptical. Red roses on your pedestal, put my pen inside the backwood. Fuck game is exceptional. I've been thinking you been skeptical. She in a ass on Zeno, city girl, but shorty pull up. Freddie got a K inside a Ruger. She like a Leo with a little bit of doing. H-Town when he touch the Dallas, real Luca. Dancing with the stars. Shorty showed me that she fucking with a star. I've been working on getting her out of Mars. Castle with some white hoes, hell, then come on. I put a four on my spine, a little baby, she told me that I gotta do better. Stuck in my ways and I'm never gonna change. You can't hate on me, young and I know better. Speaking your language and law, I don't give a fuck, so I'm calling you Rosetta. When it rain, double R's on my umbrella. I know the pain, now I'm looking for a vendetta. Red roses on your pedestal, put my pen inside the backwood. Fuck game is exceptional. I've been thinking you been skeptical. Red roses on your pedestal, put my pen inside the backwood. Fuck game is exceptional. I've been thinking you been skeptical.
Yeah, hey, look, now I'm sipping lean on the rocks, high key on the block. I don't rock with you because your team full of cops. Not the type of nigga that be beefing a lot. Trust me, no I'm not. Tryna with a new excursion. You don't know me, better learn it. Wanna text back, now I gotta earn it. Only buying shit cause I deserve it. Tryna with a new excursion. See me on the I-10 swerving. 10 bad bitch, what I've been curving. Never been a nigga that was nervous. Yeah, almost signed a deal but changed your plans on me, what? Yeah. Couple racks on me, 10 bands on me, what? Yeah. In them floor seats, you in the stands on me, what? Yeah. I'm on bar shit, tell by the stance on me, what? Did a lot, they don't understand on me, what? I don't care, long as all the fans on me, what? Yeah. Now my name really has a man on me, what? Gotta take flight, never land on me. Gotta find another way, I did it on my own, yeah.
Prices just consolidating. We don't have no real movement.
You was not around, man, so do not in my phone, yeah. Yeah, don't hit me. Now I'm long gone. Hey, you saying that you miss me? Iced out, ice on my neck, so crisp. Now you wanna kiss me? I just wanna sit. Now I'm sipping lean on the rocks, high key on the block. I don't rock with you because your team full of cops. Not the type of nigga that be beefing a lot. Trust me, no I'm not. Trust me, no I'm not. Sipping lean on the rocks, high key on the block. I don't rock with you because your team full of cops. Not the type of nigga that be beefing a lot. Trust me, no I'm not. Tryna with a new excursion. You don't know me, better learn it. Wanna text back, now I gotta earn it. Only buying shit cause I deserve it. Tryna with that new excursion. See me on the I-10 swerving. 10 bad bitch, what I've been curving. Never been a nigga that was nervous. What?
We keep losing our brothers, oh shit, I ain't going outside, there's a thing on my side, I've been gripping my palms, it's yeah, another reason to cry, this shit, on your mother and sister, they look how they miss you, what's happening left and right, I need a tissue, I know we get cold outside, start looking for love, ain't no prince in the club, and them bodies still dropping, my time doesn't stop, R.I.P. to my bros, we grew up on the block, no these streets don't love you, no these streets don't love, no these streets don't love, no these streets don't love you, no these streets don't love, no these streets don't love, no these streets don't love nobody. No these streets don't, no these streets don't, no these streets don't love nobody. No these streets don't, no these streets don't. No these streets don't, no these streets don't. They took a life, yeah, it took a toll. Bang, it was all of the shit, you know. He was just sticking to the code. It's a shame he couldn't even turn me a ring. They say I'm Patrick Mahomes in the field through the dirt, I stay clean. It's not what it seems. Rags to keep busting his jeans. I swear to God, I am a fiend. I remember those days. Broski had fought for his life when he lost. It brought me so much pain. But at least he left quietly. I know he looking down proud of me. Promised him I'll never change. Yeah. So now every night before I go to sleep, I pray the Lord of my soul to keep. Cause he's got me safe through these city streets. I'm holding tight, all I gotta see. Too many of us die. I'm tired of seeing all of these mothers cry. Never thought I'd have to say goodbye. So cold, well, who the fuck am I? Yeah. Now I pour a sip on the street for all of my dogs who deceased. Roll up a leaf, smoking it put me at ease. This for my dogs R.I.P. We keep losing our brothers, oh shit, I ain't going outside. There's a thing on my side, I've been gripping my palms, it's yeah, another reason to cry. This shit, on your mother and sister, they look how they miss you. What's happening left and right, I need a tissue. I know we get cold outside. Start looking for love, ain't no prince in the club, and them bodies still dropping. My time doesn't stop, R.I.P. to my bros. We grew up on the block, but the streets don't love you. No, the streets don't love, no, the streets don't love, no, the streets don't love you. No, the streets don't love, no, the streets don't love, no, the streets they don't love nobody. No, the streets don't, no, the streets don't, no, the streets don't love nobody. No, the streets don't, no, the streets don't,
Finna reach my goals. I walk around pockets full. I just got the new info 10. That's the shit you wish you could afford. And they say, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm headed up to the stars. That 25-8 overwork, don't hate. My shit just got me more.
If I can trust her, I can trust anybody. I'm making sure all the day was beside me. And niggas wildin' so I don't drink at parties. Girls making bad decisions on Bacardi. Rappers so they gon' search me on Safari. None of my old girls can have me, I'm sorry. I'm wearing that blue, I'm scrolling Jabari. I'm not sorry for the wait. All of my family gon' eat cause we grounded forever. So I'm not sorry for my plate. Shawty was playing too much, she was dying with niggas. I had to get her out the way. I don't want love, we can't go on a date. I just be focused on getting this cake. So why this girl leading me up, she insane. Flexing, I'ma vibe alone. Texting, I won't pick up the phone. They like he fired, he raw to the bone. And I can't be a sip, so forget a little song. I'm buying new things, gotta fix some problems and some loose strings. No shawty want be together and do things. Focus on me, don't have time for a mood swing.
Finna reach my goals. I walk around pockets full. I just got the new info 10. That's the shit you wish you could afford. And they say, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm headed up to the stars. That 25-8 overwork, don't hate. My shit just got me more. Shawty playing games for the one time. Smooth pass, but she ain't hit the goal line. So I got myself this queen. She got the same goal as mine. Better not waste my time. Why you wanna see what I got inside? Only things that'll get me to $1 million, no time for the ceiling. We out, reach the sky. Reach the top, my fit gon' be designer. I see the clock, my future glowing brighter. I feed the flock, my plate gon' be a diner. Don't cheat, do not follow all your desires. I seek for more, I'm never getting tired. I reap the soul, my action getting finer. I reach my goal, so our haters can find us. Flexing, blessing, got a lot of dough. Blessings, I'ma give me some more. I'm stacking this wallet, don't hit me for nada. I'll see you mañana when I hit the glow. I'm buying new things, but first gotta cop my Deuce a crib. Then buy at a private island, make a couple thousand, cop shotty a new ring. Finally reach my goals. I walk around pockets full. I just got the new hit 410. That's the shit you wish you could afford. And they say yeah. I'm headed up to the stars. That 25-8 of a work don't hate. My shit just got me more.
Alright, price not doing nothing to us, either, bro. I got my stay for another 2 hours. I watch nothing. My idea still stands. Anything with this side of the range, I won't be looking to take any positions at. I'll look to take positions outside the range. We have potential buys of above this level of 2347, 2348, and potential buys above 2357, 58. Right. Above 2358, above 2348 is risky buys because we have traffic to the left hand side is not the cleanest, right? But it could still play out. So because it's not clean traffic, it could still play out. The clean traffic is above 2358. This would be the cleaner setup, the higher probable setup. So I'll look to take positions based off of how we close above those areas. Other than that, to the bearish side, breaking below 23. Price breaking below 2337 will be cool for some sales. It'll be going with the overall trend or structure, right? We'll also be breaking below this we'll also be breaking below this 1 hour trend, breaking below the previous 1 hour most recent higher low structure, right? So the 1 hour will be transitioning into bear structure below this level. Only reason why I say this is risky sales is because the fact that the traffic to the left hand side is not the cleanest. But I would rather take these risky sells than those risky buys, to be honest, because this one was pro trend with the higher time frames. But other than that, below 2337 is risky sells because the traffic to the left hand side is not the cleanest as well. The clean trade for the sell side will be breaking 2325, 2324 area right over here to potentially target 23 flat. So to the left, clean traffic to the left hand side, all down here. So that's my trade idea. I look to take positions based off of how we close within these levels. And y'all know how I trade by now. Wait for candlestick closure, wait for a top wick or bottom wick to form depending on the direction of the market, and then the continuation to break the previous candlestick highs or lows for a bullish or bearish structure. Other than that, man, it's your boy Traderholics, and I'ma head out, man. Niggas just wanna lay down, I ain't gonna lie.
Wanna see that face. I'm going fast on my life that I had to scoot over and chill and go over a lane. Swear the same niggas that hated my music in middle school be in my DM, they lame. I used to be known for breaking the rules. I pray to God I can't end up a fool. Lately been thinking I used to be chill with some people that hated my music in school. All the thought he tried to use me and wasting my time. That was funny, who turned to the tool. I never cared if they thought it was cool, cause I'm really that dude. And right now I got 4 pockets full for these bands. Yeah, I be dolo, but I told her bring all her friends, get a check and I spend in advance. Too many baddies, so no, I can't get one a chance. Nah, hop out the whip and I'm fresh. Don't want your chick, she a mess, got my foot on their neck. Low when they cutting my check, when a car bulletproof like a vest, I'm not taking a rest. Swear I just been in my zone lately.
Hey, y'all gotta remember, man, Traderholic FX is a community where we practice patience, right? Our slogan over here at Traderholics is patience provides and protects capital, right? So with that being said, you want to trade for tomorrow, right? You want to focus on the longevity of your trading career, not just what you could do today. or what could potentially move today type deal. Because if you blow the account or you not having proper risk management, you taking setup, just don't normally take whatever you want to make sure all the stars align and be patient. If all the stars don't align with the setup, just don't simply take a trade. And that's how I'm going into this upcoming New York session and waiting for these closures. If we close too far above the range, I won't be taking a trade. If we close too far below the range, I won't be taking a trade. I'll wait for a pullback. If we don't never get the pullback, it's cool. I'll just come back tomorrow, bro.
Yeah, just save me for fucking grand, yeah. Stacks fit, fed I'm all the way in South Beach. Tell my mom I love her cause I popped another 30. Yeah, got boy shit, if you listen, hope you heard, yeah. New money, I just started gonna spend, yeah. Big bottles cause my kidneys need the damage. Save me, I think I'm falling. If you need an Uber, I'ma have to fucking call it. Commas and zeros, I might go fuck up a check. Yeah, they got no more manners, yeah, they got no respect. And I ain't playing with this chopper, yeah, this shit got the key. I just come around cause I fuck with a kid. Hey, fuck it, I'ma pop another Benzo. It's like the 4-1, meet me in the end zone. I think it's funny how they come in full circle. I swear the last bitch had me in the friend zone. Hey, I'ma let it chopper ring, I'll fucking air it out. It's in the past, bitch, I'ma fucking count it out. And so my last bitch, I didn't fucking care about. Yeah, I'm in my bag, bitch, I don't give a fuck about you. Me, for fucking grand, yeah. Stacks fit, fed I'm all the way in South Beach. Tell my mom I love her cause I popped another 30. Yeah, got boy shit, if you listen, hope you heard, yeah. New money, I just started gonna spend, yeah. Big bottles cause my kidneys need the damage. Save me, I think I'm falling. If you need an Uber, I'ma have to fucking call it. New money, I just started gonna spend, yeah. Big bottles cause my kidneys need the damage. Save me, I think I'm falling. If you need an Uber, I'ma have to fucking call it.
Hey, it's Dua Lipa. Check out my song Illusion on YouTube and YouTube Shorts, your one-stop shop for music.
Tell me to move on, it don't serve you right. They tell me to work hard, I've been up for a few nights. I've been doing this for a new life, get my eyes shut for a new sight. If they love putting you down, go ahead, say fuck that too, right? Worried about what's ahead, worried about never getting that bread. Worry is constantly stuck in my head, so worried it's harder to sleep in my bed. I've read all of the comments you said, got me forgetting the things that I dread. Shining the hope that I'll finally make it, taking and jumping my fall, you might break it. I faked it pretending I'm somebody else, traded my passion for some of the wealth. Hated the fact I was losing myself, this pen and the paper, the way that I dealt. Like what are the options when nothing is changing? Be so much more than just somebody famous, give them a reason for standing ovations. I'm patient, I'm loving the journey I'm taking. To all of my friends who think that I've dished, I never have time I can spend. The fake ones just slowly keep breaking away, the real ones straight up will not bend. Couple are wondering how life has been, others it feels like it solely depends. What am I doing, what am I making? No other reason they ever hit send. Always getting home late and I feel like I never had time. Like I never had time, no time. But they tell me don't stress, cause that shit, yeah, it's all in your mind. It be all in your mind, in your mind. And it's feeling so crazy how fast all these months go by. All these months go by, go by, go by. But they tell me don't stress, cause that shit, it be all in your mind. No, yeah, that shit, it be all in my mind.
And I wonder if I pass up love, wonder if they only text me because I'm the next one up. This is all I want, this is everything I'm needing. They say they feel my passion with every breath I've been breathing. I'm thinking too much, comparing myself with that man in the mirror. But every time I'm looking at him, I'm overwhelmed with fear. Cause that reflection got me stressing, the infection is real. Cause I've been broken for some time and I just hope that it heals. All those nights that I stayed in while they were getting drunk, Missing out, but look, my resume was building up. Yeah, I've killed it, but see, really, I ain't killed enough. I'm not gonna quit till the world will listen up. You don't know where I'm at, you don't know my whole story. Everything was clear to me without my lens, it's just blurry. It's just all in my mind, this is all in my head. You turn the bottles for your problems, I write lyrics instead. Yeah.
Always getting home late and I feel like I never have time. Like I never have time, no time. But they tell me don't stress, cause that shit, yeah, it's all in your mind. It be all in your mind, in your mind. And it's feeling so crazy how fast all these months go by. All these months go by, go by, go by. But they tell me don't stress, cause that shit, it be all in your mind, no. Yeah, that shit, it be all in your Always mind. Getting home late and I feel like I never have time. Like I never have time, no time. But they tell me don't stress, cause that shit, yeah, it's all in your mind. It be all in your mind, in your mind. And it's feeling so crazy how fast all these months go by. All these months go by, go by, go by. But they tell me don't stress, cause that shit, it be all in your mind, no. Yeah, that shit, it be all in your mind.
When they come, and they will, they'll come for you. I have an army. We have a Hulk. Oh, I thought the beast had wandered off. You're missing the point. There's no throne. There is no version of this where you come out on top.
Let me infiltrate the beat, concentrate the heat. If you ain't on my level, fuck it, let me be. I'll be going till it's all in motion, talking killing rappers, then I hit my quota. And my train of thought is more a locomotive, talking reason for it, I got locomotives. Used to be on a revenge tip, on a stun on my ex and a friend's tip. I was Spider-Man whipping the black suit, I was powerful but almost lost Luke. Blurring the line between human and artist, try not to change but I swear it's the hardest. I swear when you're up they turn you to a target. Home was a trip, all I did when I'm talking. So, what it take to be an icon? All in your desktop, so I just might already be one. My me with the label, it feels on the table one time, but I'm down for a free lunch. Just speaking my heat-seeking missiles of hits, but other than me, I see no heat exists. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go green, go green, go green. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm Stan Lee, Stan Lee, Stan Lee. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green. Get the fuck back, I'm about to go green. I might begin making a feature a rack, cause when I hit your beat I turn shit to Iraq. Dropping bombs like I'm cursing you out. This your house, then I'm kicking you out. Quiet as a mouse, came in the game, not a word is out that I've been lighting the flame. Shit is potent, don't you know it? I've been flowing steady, growing till they know the name. Saw it ahead of time, knew that I'd get to my losing myself in the view to some window pane. I swear I'm all about peace, I'm a positive person. Wasn't always like that, you know it took me some learning. They asked me how I push a positive light, how I keep my composure through internal fights when addressing the mic through these dark nights. Where the Bruce Wayne, what a trick be. Here's some truth that I'll let free, Bruce Banner of rap if you ask me. When my will to win and the track meet, the secret is I'm always angry. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go green, go green, go green. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm Stan Lee, Stan Lee, Stan Lee. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. Get the fuck back, I'm about to go green.
What's up, it's gbpjpy. Check out my new song, Take a Bite, on YouTube and on YouTube Shorts.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. I just wanna be the man my dad never was. Hear my music, it's all soul. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep cheering. No interceptions, no interference. I'm on an A-team, no Ed Sheeran. I'm headed headed for the stage now. They clearing all the bad women in the building, man. There's bad women in the building. Let's get it started tonight. This one's on me. Let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots. I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living. Oh yeah, this baby. Life, this life, this life. That's all I got. This life. Hey. So let's drink all I got, yo. Everything that we've been through. Yo, ain't nobody shutting it down the way I'm killing it, and anybody talking shit, acting like they innocent. Well, I just wanna be the one to let you know what's sentiment. I'm kissing on your girl, then I lip gloss cinnamon. I love it. You set the bar, I'm above it. Backing down, I never does it. Plus I'm buzzing. You got one, I got a dozen. If she's taken, I hope she got a cousin, cause she's hiding in the Arizona landscape. Guess I better do the things that a man can't. I'm a chef and that dude is a pancake. We can keep it a secret just like a handshake. Shit, life ain't free, but alright, let's see what the world brings you with a guy like me. We could dive head first, baby, I'm an OG. It'll be all good, just fly with me tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. So let's drink to everything that we've been through. It's summertime. It's summertime. This one's on me. Let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots. I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. So let's drink to everything.
Watch live TV like cable with YouTube TV. Try it free. Terms apply. Cancel anytime.
That we've been through.
I know I may have changed. I may have lost my way. But every song I've made, yeah, was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame.
Yeah, I've wanted a lot of things that I couldn't have. I've done a lot of things that I shouldn't have. Yeah. But I live with no regrets, cause I wouldn't be here if I chose a different path. I've worked so hard, I've worked so thorough. I love my team, I wouldn't trade them for the whole world. But I would trade these groupie bitches in a heartbeat if there was a chance that I could ever have my old girl. My first love, man, I can't believe I lost her. Due to miscellaneous bitches all on my roster. So my advice to all my homies out there, with a woman that really cares, don't fuck around, it might cost you. Yeah, but like I said, man, it's no regrets. We move forward, stay positive and hope for the best. I'm obsessed, I want it all, dog, and nothing less. I'd rather be a dead man than to live with no success. So I spit it from deep in my chest. All of these inner feelings used to just keep them suppressed. Then I wondered why the fuck I would be so depressed. And I realized that I really just need to confess. So when you hear me on a record, it's the real me. I only do it for the people that can feel me. And if you wanna hate, then go ahead and feel free. But I'ma continue to do this shit until it kills me. I've been lost, I've been found, I've been up, I've been down. I've been broken, I've been bruised, beaten and abused by a bitch ass motherfucker my mama would choose. So before you judge me, be sure that you walk in my shoes. I used to